Welcome, aspiring website creators. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of building your own website through AI, and the best part, it's 100% free. Hello everyone, I'm Sadaf, and today I'll be guiding you on how to create your own AI-powered website suitable for all types of businesses. In just 20 minutes, I developed this user-friendly website to showcase my content. The AI technology I used is very user-friendly and accessible for anyone looking to build their website. Before we delve into this intriguing AI tutorial, I'd like to express the effort I've invested in creating these tutorials. Your support means a lot to me, so if you find the content valuable, please consider hitting the subscribe and like buttons. Your support motivates me to continue producing more and improved content. Thank you so much for that. Now, let's jump right into the journey.
First off, open up Google and type in Hocus. Click on the first link that shows up. This AI website builder allows you to build your own website for free. Then you enter your email. Okay, now, you need to answer a series of questions about the website you are going to build so that your website can be designed based on that. Questions such as the category you are looking for, the service you are going to provide, etc. After answering all these questions, 3 suggested formats will be presented to you, and you can choose one of them. Then choose the color combination you want. In this step, choose the font of your headlines. Finally, you wait for your website to be built. And that's all, your website is built. Now it's time to replace your content. At the top of the website page, you'll find an orange box housing the menu bar. Let's explore this section step by step. Start by uploading your business logo image to the menu bar. Navigate to the image settings, click on the image icon, and upload your logo from the My Image section on the opened page. If you're looking for a free image, you can search and download one from the Free Images section. Now, select the uploaded image and make any necessary modifications using the image editing tools. Notice how effortlessly your logo is inserted. Next, head to the menu layout and experiment with different styles until you find the one that suits your preferences. Additionally, explore the icon settings to customize contact icons. Click on the design icon to change the color of both the menu bar and the text. Once you've chosen your favorite color, take note of the color numbers for future use. Now, let's move on to the next bar. Each bar comes with the same setting options for design customization. Let's begin by changing the background picture of the bar. You can easily upload any image you want to use. However, be cautious. In this free version, you can only upload a maximum of 25 images. If you notice that the uploaded image is slightly blurry, no worries. Simply select the widget design, and you can adjust the background settings, including increasing or decreasing the blur effect. Next, experiment with changing the style of the headline. By clicking on the T, you can easily choose your favorite style. Navigate to the left toolbar where you'll find all the pages built for your website. The icon menu also displays the menu items that allow you to modify them. Through widget properties, you can edit the entire embedded text and the button label. In fact, you can link the button to a page, an external link, or an email. On this page, you can choose the linked page. However, if you want to link to an external site, return to the home page, click the Learn More button, then choose the external link item and input your link. Additionally, you can change the widget. Here, there are different widget styles that are suggested. To explore different design options for your website, building upon the insights gained from the tutorial above, you can seamlessly apply your desired changes to other sections. To explore different design options for your website, navigate to the left toolbar and click on the design icon. Through this feature, you can effortlessly modify the overall color scheme of your website and adjust the font of the text. Additionally, the last option in this toolbar is the animation feature for text, providing a dynamic representation of how the text appears on the page. Now, let's move on to the main part of the site, which revolves around the courses. Click on the Properties icon to access the entire course section. Here, you can make changes such as modifying the title and style of the course, adding or deleting descriptions, and incorporating buttons. Repeat this process for the remaining sections.
Now, you have the flexibility to modify the style of various widgets, adding or removing widgets as per your preference. For instance, you can introduce a subscribe widget or customize the style of the About widget. If you wish to include additional widgets, explore the array of free styles available. The website comes with a designated address chosen by Hokus. If you desire a custom domain, simply click on Use Custom Domain and acquire the domain of your choice. Connecting an existing domain is also effortless. Moving on to menu items, you can effortlessly alter their style within the widget. Consider enhancing user navigation by adding an FAQ section to the menu bar. The final step involves incorporating details about your courses. For each main course, you can either link to a dedicated page with course specifics or connect to an external link. To link to a page, initiate the process by creating a new page. Navigate to All Pages, create a new page, specify the type, and then rename it. Customize the page style and proceed to add your course content or YouTube videos. Enter the course title and description. And don't forget to add an engaging banner. Conclude by linking the course to a page or external link. I personally linked mine to a YouTube video. Congratulations! You've successfully constructed an impressive website. Return to the dashboard anytime to edit your website or embark on creating a new one. Thank you for tuning in.